Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with ninth class maths, lines and angles topic. In that we are going to talk about lines and transversal. So what is this transversal? Already you have learnt about this transversal. Suppose you have got two lines L and M, or two lines, and then is another line N. Line N intersects L and M at two distinct points. Distinct points means separate points. Let me talk about this point as P and this point as Q. So, distinct points P and Q. Therefore, what is N? Therefore, line N is called transversal. This is transversal. So, when you are writing a definition for transversal, we will write that a line which intersects two different lines at two distinct points. Distinct points is called a transversal. This is called as a transversal. This is the definition of the transversal. Now, because of this transversal, there are 8 angles are formed here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally, a transversal, when it is intersecting two lines, it makes 8 angles. So, what are the angles made? Angles made by transversal. Let us see. What are the angles made by transversal? Let us see. Let us name the angles. So, first we will say there are two different types of angles. We can say one is exterior angles, exterior angles, and second one is interior angles. So, exterior angles and interior angles. What do you mean by exterior angles? Angles formed on the outside of these two lines are called exterior angles. Angles formed inside are called interior angles. So, let us first talk about exterior angles. Exterior angles, they contain alternate angles. Alternate angles. What are alternate angles? Angle 4, angle 6 is one set, and angle 3 and angle 5 are another set. So this is one set, this is one set. These are alternate angles where I'm talking about exterior angles means angle 2 and angle 8. Sorry children, angle 2 and angle 8 are exterior alternate angles. Angle 1 and angle 7. These are exterior. Exterior means outside. Angle 2 and angle 8, angle 1 and angle 7. These are exterior alternate angles. And then when we are talking about uh, angle 2 and angle 7, what are these? These are the angles, exterior angles on the same side of transversal. So, what can I say? Exterior angles on the same side of transversal. What are they? They are angle 2 and angle 7. This is one set, and the second set is angle 1 and angle 8. These are exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, so first we need to learn about the different names. Already you have got it in your previous classes, but one recollection is there in your ninth class. So these are the exterior angles, and when you are talking about interior angles, same way, interior angles. Again, in this interior angles, alternate angles. What are alternate angles in the interior angle? Angle 3, angle 5, one set, and angle 4, angle 6. These are the other sets. These are interior alternate angles. Alternate angles means one on the one side of the transversal, another one is on the other side. Since they are lying in the interior side, we are calling them as interior angles, alternate angles. And then we have got interior angles on the same side of transversal. What are the children? Interior angles on the same side of transversal. You have got one set is angle 4 and angle 5, and second set is angle 3 and angle 6. Apart from these, you have got another set of angles. They are called corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles means you will take one angle on the exterior, one angle on the interior, on the same side of the transversal. So, what all we are getting corresponding angles? First one is angle 2, comma angle 6. One set is angle 2 and angle 6, and angle 3, comma angle 7. These are also corresponding angles. Now, see, angle 2, comma angle 6. These are one exterior, one interior on the same side of transversal. They are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 7, they are also on the same side of the transversal, but one interior and one exterior. That is why this will not be included in this interior and exterior angles. So, angle 3 and angle 7. Similarly, the next set is angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1, comma angle 5, and fourth set is angle 4 and angle 8. So these are the various names or nomenclatures that we will be giving for these angles, which are formed by a transversal when it intersects. A transversal itself, the definition of a transversal itself, when it intersects two lines at two distinct points. Because of that, you are getting 8 angles, and these 8 angles have got different names. The different names here, first exterior, they should be divided as exterior and interior angles. Exterior angles are on the outside, interior angles are inside. Okay, in this exterior angles, you have got exterior alternate angles, angle 2 and angle 8, angle 1 and angle 7, exterior alternate angles, and exterior angles on the same side of transversal, angle 2 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 8. Then interior angles, alternate angles, angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate angles, angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate angles. And then interior angles on the same side of transversal, angle 3 and angle 6 and angle 4 and angle 5. Apart from this, you have got a new set, that is corresponding angles, means one exterior, one interior on the same side of transversal. Angle 2 and angle 6 one set, angle 3 and angle 7 one set, angle 1 and angle 5 one set, angle 4 and angle 8 one set. So these are corresponding angles. So please write down this, children. These are various angles that are that you are going to get when you are dealing with this. Please copy it. There is a small point, children, which I could not do it because of lack of space. Interior angles on the same side of transversal are also called as, you may get them in the objective, or you may be asked with these names also. As it is there in your syllabus, you should know about these names also. They are called, they are known as consecutive interior angles. Either they are called consecutive interior angles, or they are also called as allied interior angles. This is another name for it. Or these are also called as co-interior angles. So these are the other names for interior angles on the same side of transversal. We will be calling interior angles on the same side of transversal, interior 3 and 6, 4 and 5. These are the two sets. They are also called consecutive interior angles. Consecutive, immediate next. These are consecutive interior angles, or we call them as allied interior angles or co-interior angles. Please copy this. Now the same thing, exterior angles. Exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Same name, consecutive exterior angles and allied exterior angles and co-exterior angles. So these are the names for exterior angles on the same side of transversal. You may get them in objective sentence, and as it is there in your syllabus, it's my duty to teach this also. So I hope I am clear, children. Now, I hope you have copied this. Now the next part is about parallel lines. Properties of parallel lines. When I have drawn earlier the two lines, those lines are not considered to be parallel lines because they are not straight. I have written somewhat uh, angle made so that they meet at one point. But parallel lines means they will never meet at any point. I can consider these two as parallel lines. So L and M are parallel lines, and N is the transversal. So L is parallel to M. I know this is the parallel line symbol. I know you will be you already know it. And L is parallel to M. N is transversal. So when N is transversal, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. So let us see what are the properties that we will be getting here. Properties are interior angles are equal. So here interior angles we will be writing instead of interior angles, I will write alternate angles. Sorry children, alternate angles are equal. So when we are talking about alternate angles, you have got two sets of alternate angles which I have already explained, that is exterior alternate angle and interior alternate angles. So what are alternate angles? When I am talking about interior, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Interior. Exterior, what I will say, third one, exterior angle. What is exterior angle? Angle 2 is equal to angle 8, and the fourth set is angle 1 is equal to angle 7. These all are considered as alternate angles. So this is rule 1, alternate angles are equal. Now let me talk about rule 2. Rule 2 is corresponding angles are equal. So what are corresponding angles here? First set, angle 2 is equal to angle 6. And second one, angle 3 is equal to angle 7. And third one, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. And fourth one, angle 4 is equal to angle 8. These are all corresponding angles that I have written them as equal because this is the property of parallel lines. If the lines are not parallel, this kind of equality does not exist. That is why in the earlier topic when I was discussing about the earlier things, I did not mention equality. I have only mentioned the names because you should know about what are they called. Maybe you have come to ninth class means you should know about it, but as a kind of recollection I am explaining it once again. So angle, you have got corresponding angles are equal, I have done. After corresponding angles are equal, and the third one is interior angles on the same side are supplementary. uh, Interior angles on the same side of transversal or supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary, children? That sum is equal to 180 degrees. So what are interior angles on the same side? Angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is 180 degrees, and the second one, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. This is the meaning of it. And the fourth point is exterior angles on the same side of transversal or supplementary. They are also supplementary. Exterior angles on the same side of transversal. That is angle 2 and angle 7. Angle 2 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degrees. And the second set is angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. So these are the properties of parallel lines, children. So always these properties, excuse me, always these parallel lines properties you should remember very well, children. These are very, very important for you to solve the problems given in your textbook. So please copy this. I hope I am clear to you. Please copy. Now we will be doing certain do these problems are there, children, in your textbook. Page 87 in do this sums in page 87. So let me take that page 87. First one, find the measure of each angle indicated. Each angle indicated where L and M are parallel lines, intersected by transversal N. This is the problem given to you, children. You have got various figures. The first figure, you have got two lines. This is line L and M, and this is a transversal N. Here they have given x degrees, and then here they have given 110 degrees. So let us see what type of angles this. Till now we were talking about this. So what type of angles these two are? These are exterior angles. First thing is they are exterior angles, and the second thing is one is lying on one side and this is lying on the other side. That means alternate angles. So angle x is equal to 110. Why? Because alternate angles are equal. Why is it? The reason is because they are exterior alternate angles. So actually in this case this is possible. Why? Because L is parallel to M. They have given L and M are parallel lines. They have given that L is parallel to M. So since L is parallel to M, you could use this. Otherwise, if they are not parallel, you cannot say that these are equal. So since they said they are parallel, exterior alternate angles are equal. That is why we could say so. So the next problem is second bit. You have got L and M, and you have got a transversal N, and here this is 84 degrees and this is Y. So we will be saying here also Y is equal to 84 degrees. Why is it? Because they are interior alternate angles. So this is the reason why you could say that these two are equal. Next, third bit. Third bit. This is L. This is M. This is N. And here they have given here 100 degrees and this Z degrees. We know that 100 degrees plus Z degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why? They are interior angles on the same side of interior angles on the same side of transversal. So interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, I said. So these two sum is 180 degrees. So what is Z degrees is 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. That is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, Z is equal to 80 degrees is the answer for this. Please copy this. I'll do the next sums. No. Now, fourth bit, you have got L and M. N is the transversal, and here this is 53 degrees, and this is S degrees. So, what are the children? S degrees is equal to 53 degrees. Why is it? They are corresponding angles. So we have already learnt in the properties when the angles, corresponding angles are always equal. So we can say that they are equal. Now, second problem. You have got second problem. Okay, you copy this children, then I will go for the second problem. Second one, if L is parallel to M, then solve for X. Give reasons. This is the question. So the first bit here is you have got two lines L and M, and N is the transversal. This is 75 degrees. Here 11x minus 20 degrees, or 2 degrees, not 20. 11x minus 2. 11x minus 2 degrees. We know that 11x minus 2 is equal to 75. Why is it? They are corresponding angles. So always corresponding angles are equal because they said L is parallel to M. So what is 11x? 75 plus 2. That means 11x is equal to 77. What is x? 77 by 11, 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7 is the answer for this first bit. Now, let us see the second bit. In the second bit also, you have got L and M, and this is N, and 60 degrees, and here 8x minus 4 degrees. So see, these are interior alternate angles. So 8x minus 4 is equal to 60 degrees. Why? They are interior alternate angles. So what is 8x? 60 plus 4, that is 64. So when 8x is equal to 64, what is x? 64 by 8. 8 are 64. So x is equal to 8 is the answer for this bit, children. Please copy it. Now, next, third bit. Third bit, L, M, N. 14x minus 1, and this is 12x plus 17 degrees. So these are exterior alternate angles. They are also equal. So what we will say? 14x minus 1 is equal to 12x plus 17. Why? They are exterior alternate angles. So 14x minus 12x is equal to 17 plus 1. 14x minus 12x is 2x is equal to 18. So what is x? 18 by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So x is equal to 9 is the answer for this problem. Now let us see the fourth bit. Again you have got L and M. N is the transversal. 13x minus 5 degrees and 17x plus 5 degrees. See, these are corresponding angles, means 17x plus 5 is equal to 13x minus 5 because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always equal. So 17x minus 13x is equal to minus 5. When it goes the other side, here also minus 5. So 4x is equal to minus 10. What is x? Minus 10 by 4. That means 2 5s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is the answer. Don't consider that always we need to get a positive. Of course, angles should be positive, But in this problem, they have given an equation. While solving, we can't help. The values given are in such a way that we have got x value as a negative. I hope I am clear, children. Please copy it. So with this, I am concluding my topic. Next part, I will do it in the next class.